DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
What's good, YouTube? Bang! This is your boy Jambisco back in this bitch right now. Banger video. And guys, that mafia, welcome to my new series on the channel, man. I'm still trying to work on the name. I think I'm gonna call it either New Fire Fridays or Straight Flame Saturdays. So let me know in the comment section, guys. Basically, it's my new series on the channel where I basically recap the new releases of the week that came out in dancehall. You know, I'm gonna recap all the songs, the top songs that released that week at the end of the week, and see how you guys like it in the rankings. You know what I'm saying? I'm still trying to decide if I want to separate Jamaica and Trinidad, or should I put them all in the same category. So definitely let me know in the comment section and help your boy choose the name. I might also start a poll on the community section, so look out for that. I know you guys like polls. Y'all be participating a lot whenever I do polls. So yeah, so I'm still trying to decide the name, so help your boy out decide the name, guys. But it's definitely gonna be a weekly thing where I go ahead and recap all the new music of the week, okay? And I'm pretty sure you guys gonna like it, so let me know in the comments section just to be sure. Make sure you hit a like if you like the content. Yeah, but yeah, guys, jumping in to the episode this week, where we have quite a few songs that released this week. As you can see, one of those notable artists or tracks that released this week was from none other than an artist that we've reacted to many times, known as Armani, and this one is called How You Feel. Yes, it's a really dope track. The guys that touch on basically like modern relationships and the taboo or sometimes crazy situation they be going through, you know. So it's a really dope track, guys. Check it out for yourself. This is Armani, How You Feel. Whoa, Armani, How You Feel. Check it out, gang.
So baby, tell me how you feel.
Yeah, man, baby, how you feel? What go on, eh?
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
So baby, tell me how you feel. You want fuck your mommy.
Crazy situation. I said this song touch on taboo modern situations, like, oh, who you want? That's crazy, right?
Baby, tell me how you feel. Ring my line when I get down here. Him can buy a Gucci bag, but him can't make a cup. Give you a beer bun, go make you look dumb.
That's a crazy line, man. And you can't buy a Gucci bag, but the things about that cat, that's crazy.
Baby, me love your style, I'm not let it down. Shoot ball on, yes, that you want me telling good up. Open on your belly, that's a cocky put on. Tell me a thing.
Hey, you don't know. Oh, yeah, hey, ladies, let me know what you think about that one. Come on.
Dude, can I have the good up? One fuck you right now, till I have to give up. But I'm love it when you at your back. You tell me push it deep and your man, you like the stab. Back saying I'm shooting when you grab my back.
Easy now, man. Shout out to Armani. Dope track, man. That was Armani's How It Feel, guys. Definitely check that one out. Ladies, I know you're gonna like that one. Guys, check it out. I know your girls gonna like that one. And make sure you say hi to your gallus players. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Real dope track. Shout out to Armani, guys. Now moving right along. Yeah, man, guys, that was Armani, and that was How You Feel. Real dope track. Shout out to the artist, man. Make sure you go check that one out, guys, if you like that song. Show him some love and support. Make you know say Jambisco done send you. So yeah, shout out to Armani for the top 10 position on the countdown. Moving right along. Yeah, man, this artist never thirsty, you see me? And this artist probably cry enough time, you know. Me don't know, me just say, you see me, I say, yeah, we talk about none other than, you know, Mr. Play himself, none other than iWater. Yeah, man, iWater enter the top 10 today at the number 9 position with his new track entitled Turn the Other Way. Yeah, from the very suggestive title, guys, you and ladies, you might guess what this song is about, but you know, I'm not gonna just leave it to the imagination. I'm giving a little preview, and you see me, so you can tell me what you think about this one, man. And yeah, this is a very lively track that I think the ladies definitely gonna like, and then you should definitely check out. So yeah, man, like I said, this is at the number 9 position. This iWater, Turn the Other Way.
That 12 for the girl, yeah. Come on, baby, turn the other way.
Easy, no?
Turn the other, I'm sorry.
Easy on. Yeah, man. This track is definitely from the girls. From you hear the vibes and you hear the vibes and the lyrics, you can already tell this is gonna be for the ladies.
Text me every day. Come on, baby, Tony on the way. She love the bomb, so she fuck me on a care. In her man, see everything saying it on a plane. One for the body, night she text me every day. She well freaky and sneaky.
Easy on, man. Yeah, guys, the one are different for the lady. Them when they get ladies, them want move something, shake something, dance up and free themselves. I think this is gonna be one of the go-to tracks for them.
Make her get up and fuck it anywhere. She loves sit, so me put up on the chair. So she want burp, so me feed up on the beer. Bad. I beg you, baby, don't stop. A little and tight, make me have to come back.
Easy now, man. Yeah, that ladies. Hey, little and tight, so we have to come back. Make sure it's hey.
If you have to come fast. Say she wicked and bad, and she full of tough chat. A little and bad, she no listen love song, so she fling it down.
Little and bad, so she full of tough chat. Yeah, man. So the little, so the child yelling the love going like them body and full of chat, Hey.
That's so she lift it up back. A big song string up on a little function. Christian, but she love the gun man. Come on, baby, don't you know? She love the bomb, so she fuck me on a key.
Yeah, man.
In her man, see everything saying it on a plane. One for the body, night she text me every
Yeah, man, man, guys. That's where I drop him, man. Yeah, man. Shout out to Iwater, that one, then him turn the other way. Definitely for the ladies. I know they gonna love that one. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so yeah, you wanna add that to the playlist, definitely for you. Yeah, the players, all the players, you wanna add that to your gallus playlist. You see me? Ladies gonna love that. And if you're not a gallus, you know what I'm saying, you have your personal girl, she gonna love that, every now and then she gonna move up herself and she goes, so add it to your list, man. Yeah. Shout out to Iwater for that one. Turn the other way. Really vibesy. Yeah, man. In a party and everything there, that's gonna be lit. Ladies gonna love that. Yeah, and the thugs them I love the woman, them I love see the woman move up and we gonna love that as well. So shout out to Iwater for the one and the one named turn the other way. Now moving right along, guys. Yeah, we are at number 8. Video number 8 for the countdown. And yeah, this is a very controversial one. I'm not sure if you guys agree with the order. Let me know in the comment section if you agree or you disagree, and let me know what song should be where, what position, But moving right along, we got none other than Skeng, Kaka, and Jigsta. The one of them Shock. You see me? And yes, guys, this song is a dancing song. This more for everybody to move around and move, get up and move up around, and energetic song. You see me? So Skeng, Kaka, and Jigsta enter the charts at number 8 for this week. Yeah, guys, and we're gonna check it out and see exactly what this track is about. Yeah, this one is very more of a dancing track, something different from Skeng normally would put out, and it's also a good look for the DJ. So let's check it out.
I want Kaka, the new prodigy.
That's something bit different from Skeng's typical songs, and it's a little bit over controversial. So shout out to Skeng.
Shock.
By that, I can't do much. Oh, my man, too much. Go.
Everybody hands up, hit the switch now. I'm a rock, so I'm a get shocked. So like him, I move like mascot. I that done, me feel for get shocked.
And as you can tell, guys, it's a very energetic song. As I said, it's a dancing song. You want to get up and move around in this one. It's gonna be crazy.
What's not your pace, not so. Shock and burn, not even pop black. So tell me how you can, so leave the big man walk. Chop that iron come. Yes, brother. You got shock, so just run with it. Yeah, over the have fun with it. You got shock now, you find company. Yeah, box around like box money.
Yeah, man, guys, I said very high energy, very high pace. The people are gonna love it. The kids gonna love this one. Yeah, from you like moving around and dance, you gonna like this one.
Shock. The one place get shock. Everybody shock.
Correct a kick, man, I go shot them. You go so run away up on the back face, matter them and do it if.
Yeah, man, gang. As I said, gang, that is a dance tune. That is Skeng, Kaka, and Jigsta. Shock. Shout out to them for that one. That's definitely something our dancer need. We need more lively tune, more moving around, more dancing tune. You see me? Everyone can enjoy. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to Skeng for stepping outside his box for that one, and shout out to them for the position number 8. And my bad, guys. I know I actually said Skeng occupied number 8. It was actually number 7. I do apologize. Shout out to Skeng for occupying spot number 7 on the countdown. And moving right along, you don't know what we are dealing with today. We go over into the 6th camp, or used to be the 6th camp, you know what I'm saying? And we are deal with none other than the boss of the law, you know. You see me, them man, them man deal with chronic illness, you know. I don't know what we're talking about today. But they over here so with the law boss, you see me, none other than Chronic Law. And he enters the chart today this week at number 6 with his song called Carry. And yeah, you don't know, Chronic Law, really dope artist, really deep artist, always giving us bangers, lyrics, metaphor, all that good stuff. Also with some topics, can give us some lessons too. And Carry is no different. Okay, he enters the chart with this dope, very deep track on the countdown at number 6 this week, and we're gonna check it out right now. This is Chronic Law, Carry.
QB records, yeah, Pensaville, I for poor. Hey, little boy, me know you never kill nobody, never go school and bring your spinners pan a Jambisco.
As you can see, guys, Chronic Law is bringing back the 90s dancehall badness and style in this modern creation, you know. So check.
Remember we bought from them a phone name Panasonic, we a killer from the rasta them good pan the leather wallet. When me kill people, me no sorry, never. Me invest all of me dog money in a matic. Rather self stop it, but me a telling me a bit. Say me love we push the war and up the rifle.
Come on, man. Chronic Law did a great job on this video, in this song, giving us the 90s dancehall and our iconic one drop rhythm. Come on, man. Shout out to him. And he's also bringing the 90s song with a mesh marina and your button up shirt wait top button and up. Come on, shout out to Chronic Law, man.
For them to bucket, yeah, with the matic anyway, me clap it anyway. If you want me them big it. How them say them a murderer, I forget a murderer, I don't love the bed. As them talk me, I run out a clip man, watch girl run out a bridget. I want some just come bad man, we I say them never yet see Porsche we get.
Come on, man. Just come bad man, never see Porsche we get. Come on, if you haven't seen Porsche wig, man, you too young. You ain't ready for the badness, for real.
Inna the head, that's how me carry. No bust no blank if you no never kill nobody. We go for life, but she no love it petty robbery. We make the songs them off up irregularly, yo.
Yeah, the man say, yo, go do crime, no petty robbery. We make the song them after the, hey, come on.
Inna the head, that's how we carry. No like the contract, but that's how we get the profit. We go for them pan a 250 bike where we see. We gon' go off the Berberton, no like if I see yo. One in a head down, one in a chest dog, not in a shoulder.
Shout out to Chronic Law. That is Chronic Law, Carry. Shout out to him, man. Doing a great job bringing back the old school vibes. You know, the 90s dancehall badness. You know, some of the early 2000 vibes. You know what I'm saying? For an iconic one drop rhythm, man. How can you go wrong, man? Chronic Law taking us down memory lane while giving them youth a bad man lesson. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to Chronic Law. Keep doing your thing, gang. You already know. And moving right along, guys, I just want to clarify just a few stuff. Skeng is actually number 8. Chronic Law is number 7. And now we're at the number 6 position with none other than who me I talk about. It's not the world boss. It's not the vendetta boss. It's not the unruly boss. It's the Silk boss. You see me? They are with none other than Silk boss. You see me? The one that entitled Melody. Yeah. Silk boss dropped a new song entitled Melody. A really deep song reflecting on modern relationship and, you know, overall just human relations as normal. Just like Silk boss normally does on his track. Very deep, conscious track, you know what I'm saying, that displays the very different ranges of emotion that, you know, Silk boss feels and can display. And it's just overall deep track, and it occupies the spot this week at number 6. So shout out to Silk boss. This is Melody. Check it out.
Dynasty Records.
Yes, guys, just from the beat choice and the beginning of the song, you know it's a very deep song. You got Alicia Keys playing in the background. You don't know Silk boss about to be in his bag with this very emotional song. Shout out to Silk Boss, man. Always giving us these crazy videos and ranges of emotion and just videos, man. Shout out to them.
Yeah, hurt me I feel every day. And no matter where the struggle, me no easy for shake. Me beg God to fall down the rain.
Off rip, he's off rip from the first few lines, then you know he's going through stuff. Nothing's been hit.
I know me can't find peace with pain. Me and myself in a war every day. Cause the light and the dark just attack on my brain. Stuck in my feelings and caught in my waist. Man come like dog when I easy for tame. Man me tell her this.
Come on, man, come like dog when I easy for tame. Come on, man. Shout out to Silk Boss, man.
Melody, me and father gotta walk through everything. The prophet lady I talk about what she say. I'ma get a better dream and just show me everything.
Come on. Yeah, man. Glad I always cut and clear all parts, man. You see me I say? Yeah.
Gotta show me everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, know them a plan for me. But father gotta say that no him plan for me. Me have billions to make on a girl chant for bid. All them boy the way I talk, me have couple man to kill.
Shout out to Silk Boss, man. The boy them a plan for me. But God said that I know him plan for me. You get what I'm saying? Shout out to Silk Boss, man. Really dope artist. Full of lyrics, man. You know what I'm saying? Always can display a wide range of emotions and just a wide range of situations that people go through in life. And just shout out to Silk Boss, did a really great job. And that song, Melody. If you haven't checked it out yet, definitely go check it out. Show him some love and support. That is Silk Boss at spot number 6, Melody. Gang. And moving right along with a surprise entry today, occupying position number 5 on the new Fire Friday or Straight Flame Saturday on the countdown. Occupying position number 5, coming as a surprise, is none other than one of my favorite newer up-and-coming artists of the new generation. I won't say up-and-coming, one of the new artists of the generation, none other than A Millie with his new track Boys Cry, which is crazy, occupying position number 5. Really dope track. It just shows you that how much people like this track. You know, A Millie always comes with, you know, with this deep songs, sound a bit depressed and all that good stuff, and to hear Boys Cry, really dope track, gang. Check it out.
Hey, yo, Phantom.
Man.
Oh, why, Jeff?
Looking for love in all the wrong places. Crazy as the man that wants spaceship.
Yes, man, guy. As the first line said, looking for love in all the wrong places. Hey, but AI Millie touches on the stuff that, you know, guys going through, letting you know that men or boys experience emotion as well, and we do go through stuff where boys cry.
Yeah, hey. Yeah, no, this nice. Yeah, the senseless type shadow.
Got an iconic AI Millie sound to start off. Shout out to AI Millie. Really dope track.
It's gonna be alright. Stay to myself when I do it like Nike. Chasing dreams, no sleepless nights.
Come on, stay to myself, not do it like Nike. Come on.
Just a bit dark all white, when we rock off white. And if you don't say work smart, and you check out bright. Yes, your boys don't carry out the way if you lie. Amount of pain inside, you have to cry more. She have my daughter move from the red eye.
Oh, come on. Shout out to AI Millie, man, with all these sounds. Hey, you produces everything, you're doing great job.
If me a tie, but I'm wrong, so I can't even blame her. But you're the lonely road, the pain and war. Out of war, I know the same that.
Come on, man. Shout out to AI Millie, man. Really dope tracks. Always, people say come off a bit depressing or anything, but he just shows the dark side of emotions and being able to.
When nigga we are singing at the graveyard, I know the campus on the place start. Me live fast, and me head my one car parts. A breakthrough like breakthrough sick in my head, I'm a
breakthrough like breakthrough sick in my head. Come on, shout out to AI Millie. Yeah, really dope track, man. That one is entitled Boys Cry. Shout out to Amy and Millie, occupying the number 5 spot on our countdown. Really dope track. Keep doing your thing, gang. Looking forward to seeing you on future countdowns. No cap. And moving right along in the countdown, you already see what we're dealing with today, gang. Who occupying the number 4 spot? Let me know if he should be at the number 4 spot, or do you think he should be higher or lower in the countdown? Let me know in the comment section, gang. But you don't know, I see we are there. We're there with the one Senegal boss, the big robber like Bob. You already know what I'm talking about, man. Yeah, man, he sing about paddleboat. You know what I'm saying? Pantan. That bitch I'm about. You already know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about none other than Najeri and his new track entitled Voices, entering the countdown this week at number 4. Shout out to Najeri, man. Voices is the new track released by Najeri, talking about, the different, maybe the darker sides of fame and chopping and accomplishing your goals. So, but check it out, guys. This is Najeri Voices. Let's get it. Man, hey, Bob can't even sleep. You see me? Vice, I wake up with that. Come on.
You have a like, bah. Yeah, I see. Welcome, because I see that fully, man.
Hey, man, I'm liking these new sample of the beats that the artists are using these days. It's crazy.
Touch, man. Still hear your voices. Hey, President. Some friends with me demons. She some friends with your team. Enough deadly for real. Some envy the real ones. Nigga, if I'm tech for me squeeze, bust festivities, just mess.
Come on, Bob with the iconic sound, man. Turn friends with my demons, come on.
With the cheese on me upset, guns press for me feel glad. See guns press just left with it. Niche gal cash his skull, send some bread for the team. Stock still I hear voices. Me answer because me a stay silent.
Me I hear voices. Me answer because me no stay silent, man. What is going on with Najeri? Well, I don't know, man. It's like this is thing that goes on with fame, with chopping. Hey, conscience playing it, you never know.
I break like at the whip a skate violence, play for daytime, and the liquor chase night. Me live a rate high, but fear break driving. But Prezi got the whip again mileage when his skull say him a deliver.
So split for daytime and then liquor chase nightly. Come on.
Nice brick, me just take it and the brick a shake kindly. The kid at town when disappear rightly. I'm friends with the monsters inside of my bed.
Come on.
Along with the voices inside of
shout out to shout out to Najeri, man, coming in at number 4 with Voices, man. Shout out to you. Real dope track, man. This track that shows you the darker side of fame, chopping, regular day life, just doing stuff that normally people wouldn't do. It's just like at some point your conscience may play on your voices or your demons, they would say. You know what I'm saying? But shout out to Najeri. Speaking of a very taboo topic that a lot of people don't speak on, whether it's like mental illness or just dealing with stuff that's on your conscience or bad karma, whatever it is. Shout out to Najeri. But Najeri seems to have made friends with his demons. You know what I'm saying? He's made peace with his past from what he's saying. So shout out to Najeri. Real dope track. If you like, you can definitely go check it out. Shout out to Najeri for occupying the number 4 position on this week's countdown. Now, guys, we are moving along. We're entering the top 3 songs released for this week, and I know. Let me say this again. I know I'm gonna get a lot of heat for this. You feel me? And this was not even intentional. This was no pun intended with this one. But today at the number 3 position, we got, you already know, the youngest and the baddest, the man himself, the Matamala Kusma, whatever he used to say in his old tracks. You already know what I'm talking about. The blind eye boy, the boy tattooing black eye ball. Yeah, man, we're talking about none other than the Vendetta boss, the man himself, none other than Alkaline, entering this week countdown at the number 3 position with, ironically, his song C300. Shout out to Alkaline, man. Dope. You know what I'm saying? I think this is actually a really dope entry. So shout out to Alkaline. You know what I'm saying? Entering number 3. I entering the number 3 position with his song C300. You already know what time it is. Do I even have to say anything? It's the Vendetta boss, man. You know what I'm saying? He's been doing his thing. Really dope artist. C300. I know you heard the track. I know y'all heard. And the song, but I'm not even gonna comment on the song. I'm just gonna play it. Just check it out right now, guys. Alkaline C300 at number 3. Let's get it.
I'ma say yo, what else up? I don't know say. Good girl, the pan of yeah.
Come on. Just this song alone. I know a lot of people was happy to see Alkaline dropping his music is freaking. Come on.
Yo. Yeah, free. Catch a view. Alright. Yo. True. Change up the game. New road. I'm mad. Yeah. Crime boss. Oh, man, make them skylab.
Come on, man. Change up the game. New rules. Crime boss. Come on.
Every town is sign off, anything move, get push out, my don't talk, listen. God not jiffy, me no care, believe it or not, triplets. It no matter we part the town or city. Water sprinkler, hold it down, winter, say pray. Hey. Sharp with the shoot like.
Come on, man. Yeah, man, say carry on jiffy. Yeah, see me, I say, was that a T? We don't know. You know what I'm saying? But shout out.
Yeah, smarty get fling. When I move like, well composed, dumb right, about 3-4, said night, dreamland, real life. Bossy we boss in a tree hype. Yeah, cut out for this. You never knew. Is it, man, a jam I can't lose.
Come on, this beat is so amazing, and the way Alkaline is chopping on the beat is crazy. Sound like a rapper and a dancer. Come on.
In a glue, me have a juice. I'm mad mode. So much girl for one man. Them a while left go in a room. Batman, yo, Batman.
Easy. Shout out to the Vendetta boss himself. The man himself. You already know who we're talking about. None other than Alka, man. Shout out to Alka. Shout out to Vendetta boss of starting to be more consistent again and dropping more music. I know the fans love that. And it's a dope track, man. Alkaline audios and visualizer always doing numbers. He always putting a lot of thought and work in his tracks. So shout out to Alkaline. Keep it up, gang. And that's Alkaline at the number 3 position this week with his song C300. Shout out to the Vendetta. Man. No, gang. Yes. We are in the top 2. The top 2. We only got 2 songs to go. The top 2 songs. And I'm not gonna lie. This next song had me a bit. This song had me a bit in my feelings. You know, I'm contemplating. I was questioning everything. You know what I'm saying? Is this right? Is this even supposed to be here? Shouldn't this be a little higher on the countdown? I don't know. But you guys are the ones that voted. You guys are the one that streamed. You guys are the one reason why these songs are in the order the way they are. Okay? And why I'm saying this, guys, because I didn't know, man. You already know what time it is. You see me? The teacher himself. The world boss himself. You don't know. The king of dancehall, man. You don't know. Vybz Kartel comes in today at number 2 with his new track called Swallow. You know what I'm saying? And yo, do I even have to explain this? I know some ladies that I have to explain what the title I mean. You see me? If it's a youth out there, you see me? If your dog go there and know what the title I mean, you're lost. You're lost, brother. You see me? You need to catch up. You see what I'm saying? But yeah, man. The Vybz Kartel, the world boss himself, enters the countdown this week at number 2 with his new track that he released. Actually released it a couple hours ago, like 4 hours ago. You feel me? So he just made the countdown. You know what I'm saying? This one is entitled Swallow. You don't know. This one is entitled to all of the freaky girls out there. You see me? You don't know Panigaza. Freaky girl love her. Freaky girl of them. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, the world boss enters the number 2 position on the countdown this week with his new track entitled Swallow. And this one are for the ladies. I know the ladies, them are gonna love the one here. You know? You see me? I say, yeah. And fellas, if you love the ladies and like when the ladies them do the good things, them make sure you say this on the playlist. You see me? I say, enter the track this week at number 2. We have none other than the Vybz Kartel with his track Swallow. Let's get it. Come on, man.
Girl, you pretty like a painting from Pablo Picasso. Now wait till you reach home. Give me the pussy, ass up.
Wow, easy now, man. Do I even say more? Do I even say more? Do you even need to hear more from this song? Man say, girl, you pretty like a painting from Picasso. Now wait till me reach home. Girl, you better give me yasso. Come on, man. World Boss alone, you know. Me know the ladies gonna love this song.
Put a cold fuck hot El Paso, me a come. Long out your tongue.
Hey.
Swallow. That's it, baby, don't spit.
Yeah.
Let it disappear like a trick.
Hey.
Let the rest of it for your lip. Got a back shot right now. Tell me, baby.
Nah, man. Yo, this song so hard. I don't know if it should be a number 2. Hey, this could have been a number 1. You know what I'm saying? But number 1 song, I don't know which song is better. This song or the number 1 song, but come on, guys.
Girl, do you love it?
Let me know in the comment section.
Tell me, baby girl, do you love it? Tell me, baby girl, do you love it? Turn round for the doggy. Back where you fuck pussy jump, little froggy. Stab you till you cry.
Listen to man lyrics. When have you heard? When was the last time you heard a lyric so make you have to say, yo, what go on? Make you like, yo, you know what I'm saying? Make you like, what? What do you say? Been a minute.
Girl, sorry, not sorry. Me a dagger, like I'm in a hurry. You boom, shave and clean, not flurry. Just like the Bible tell you about Christ, I'm coming soon. Middlesex, Cornwall, sorry. And a cornmeal flour when me boil and stir it. That make me come thicker than porridge. Swallow. Yeah. That's it, baby, don't spit.
Shout out to the World Boss, man. Keep doing, he's still doing fun tracks where people can listen and be like, yo, you know what I'm saying? They can move to it, hear some lyrics to it. Man, shout out to the world.
Let it disappear.
I know the ladies gonna love this one.
Let the rest of it for your lip. Got a back shot right now. Tell me, baby girl, do you love it? Come on. Tell me, baby girl, do you love it? Yeah. Tell me, baby girl, do you love it?
Shout out to the World Boss, man. The ladies gonna love this one. This is gonna be crazy in the clubs. Yo, yeah. This one you wanna add to your playlist. If, like I said, you wanna add it to your gallus list, and I know the ladies gonna add it to their playlist, man.
Bubble like guess I spear champagne. Focus on the pleasure, ignore the pain. Tune in for my channel. England to Spain, ride on any weather. Sun
that's the way I left it. Yeah, man. World Boss Vibes Cartel with none other than the new track Swallow. Shout out to the World Boss, man. Still making dope tracks, man. Fun tracks for everybody. The ladies, the gangster them, dogs them, the regular, the A-glass. Shout out to World Boss, bro. You do it for everyone. You see me? You do it for the culture, man. Really dope track. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section, gang. Yeah, man. Okay, gang. Yeah, moving right along. We're almost at the end of the countdown. Or should I say we're at the end of the countdown. And we have reached the number 1 position. You know what I'm saying? And before I even get into the number 1 song, gang, I just want to say, after thinking about it, this artist right here, I've been putting in that work, right? You feel me? He's been putting in that work since he in getting buzz. Since he first got his little shine and got his little buzz, he's been putting in that work, and he has stayed consistent. No matter the controversies and the arguments and all that stuff surrounding his name, he still seems to deliver each time, again and again, consistently, a level of music that honestly I can say hasn't dropped since his songs have gotten better. You feel me? Because after he made a certain song, he just keep getting better and elevating and going up and up and up. And I'm just excited to get new music from this artist and excited to see where it take his career. And just like, yeah, man, keep doing your thing, gang. This artist that entered the number 1 spot this week, keep doing your thing. I think you deserve the number 1 space. And this song was creative, just like all the other songs, and you kept that same level of quality, the same level of eeriness. Your beat choice is still on point, man. Just keep doing you, man. I can't wait for you to drop a project or a new album. I'm looking forward to it, and I definitely think you deserve the number 1 spot with this one. You know what I'm saying? And if people are still confused and wondering, yo, who the hell is he talking about, man? Y'all should know who I'm talking about, man. If you haven't heard this song, you should have. You know what I'm saying? And you've been on the rock. But yeah, who I'm talking about none other than Mali Dan with his new track entitled Dora. Let's get it. Number 1. Shout out to Mali. Yeah, man. Mali occupying the number 1 spot with his new track Dora. Let's get it.
Yo, drop top. She said, it, Dora.
Yo, what's up?
Come on, man. Come on, gang. Tell me this song don't deserve the number 1 spot. Come on, the man. Listen to the beginning of the song. The eeriness, the beat choice, bro. Come on, you deserve it.
Powerful like family fin weight, say she want my dick for taste. Kimmy shop on my body with a spliff a blaze. And if them this the for my every fire tick a race. Select it and press it in her face and not a clip her waist. She go.
I know Molly made a lot of guys and a lot of girl fantasies come through with this one. You know, as a child. But anyway, let's get it.
She don't me Louis, don't no feel a gears. Who don't make me stop your breath, the only thing me see a tear. Looking at some pussy, I the only thing me see a fear. Swing my matic, make me open up the fish a brain. Up start to my way. Must say she on it from there. Drop top, pick up a Barbie from there.
Come on, man. Listen to the melodies, the flows, the style. Definitely deserving of number.
Man, Gucci, I'm a Salman, man, we a man, turn it up, bad bitch, turn it up. Body girl make my body broke. Looking at she demon, yeah, she so vicious. Suck off my balls like hurry up. Call when I keep the bang and no carry on.
Come on, man. Yesterday, girl, she got an Aries tattooed on her. That demon, not for real, man. Tell her, then girl, a freaky, man.
Mama see a long cocky for you explorer. Like it, Dora. It, Dora. Hunters call me pan a banga phone, ya. Mama see a long cocky for you explorer. Like it, Dora.
Mama see a hey, I want to hit me pan the banga phone, ya. See a the explorer, mama. Hey, come on.
It, Dora. Look at Don said, girl, come my yard, make me too tired. Me only want to see Dora where boots I go.
Don't say, girl, come on me yard, make me too tired. Me only want to see Dora where boots I go. And that's crazy, because I was just about to say, yo, judging from the boots you're wearing, are you boots? Well, you just diss boots, so, you know, that threw all that out the window, man.
Your foot in your hole like see a motor, so come in at your belly, put a youth in your uterus. Hold too tight, but the big cocky so I just more.
Easy now, man, I want you. That's the way I end it. Just like that. What he said. Yeah, man. Shout out to Molly, man. Really dope track. And shout out to Molly for taking the #1 spot this week in the countdown. Shout out to Molly, man. Yeah, man. Dora. Shout out to Molly, man. You keep getting better, man, with each track. Keep doing your thing, gang. And yeah, we're just excited to hear music from you and to see where you take your career, dude. Just keep doing your thing. Don't stop for anybody. Don't look back, man. Just keep improving. Don't make nobody in your camp. I don't know what's going on, if there is anything, but if there is, just stay away from all that. Stay away from any negativity. Just keep doing your thing, man. Doing collabs and link up somebody, other artists and everything. We love to hear other collabs with you and other artists from the 6. You know what I'm saying? Chronic Class, Squash, Daddy one. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, keep doing your thing, Molly. Your future is bright. You know what I'm saying? I know the girls them out there love your music. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, the girls them out there love you enough, you. Me not lie. So keep doing your thing, bro. You know what I mean? That's one of the things I really like about Molly's tune them. I'm tune them of this very even blend of badman tune, girl tune, vibes tune. You know what I'm saying? Like that song, yeah, Dora. Yeah, you think it's a girl song, but a badman or thugs can play this and it won't see my way. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so shout out to Molly. Keep doing your thing, gang. You have a bright future in this industry, man, and you can take it to the top, to the stars, the moon, next galaxy and beyond, man. So yeah, man, Molly, keep doing your thing, gang. Glad to see you on the countdown. Glad that you're dropping music. Keep doing your thing. Shoot for the stars. And shout out to every artist on the list. You know what I'm saying? And drop your comments in the comment section. Do you agree with the countdown? Do you agree with the order? What artist would you place where? Should they be higher or lower in the countdown? Let me know in the comment section. Let me know if you like this new series. Gang. Yes, as I said, I'm still trying to decide the name. I might call it New Fire Fridays or straight New Flame Saturday. So let me know. New Flame Saturday or New Fire Friday. Our New Flame Friday, New Fire Saturday. Let me know in the comment section. We'll discuss it, gang. You already know. And I also got other new series coming that you might like. So stay tuned for that as well. Yes. So let me know if you enjoy the content, gang. You don't know, it's your boy Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Too nice when you blow up on the float. I just roll out with the crew. I just dally and loan, Mats Maddy and loan, bad bitch that love Pat Malian. Baptize her just like Marian.